When we look at the shipping process as a whole, the journey begins when your products leave your supplier's facility in China. From there, they must first be moved to a local export port, which might be done by truck, rail, air, or a combination of these. Once the shipment reaches the port, it is transported across the ocean either by airplane or by cargo ship until it arrives at a US port of entry. From that point, it must be transferred again, either to Amazon's fulfillment centers or to a third-party warehouse, by truck, train, or air transport. Air shipping is the fastest but also the most costly. Air freight usually takes around 7 to 10 business days. Sea freight, on the other hand, is significantly less expensive, though it may take anywhere from 3 to 8 weeks to arrive. For smaller shipments, particularly when launching a new product, air freight is often preferred because it gets stock into Amazon quickly. Larger or heavier shipments are more economical by sea. Many sellers also combine both methods, sending a small portion of inventory by air to launch quickly and the remainder by sea to save on overall costs. Since ocean freight requires much more time, careful planning is necessary to ensure restocking shipments are sent well in advance, otherwise you risk running out of inventory.